One of the mission of Josco Farm is to see, to work with the communities towards empowerment and ensure sustainability, economic sustainability of the community. And we've partnered with partners like IYBA-SEED. We've partnered with partners like Equity Bank and other institutions, to come and train farmers. Like we've had Equity Bank training farmers on, financial literacy and all that. We've had IYBA-SEED come and train farmers on, sustainable agriculture. And we've even had Eldohub training farmers on embracing new technology when it comes to farming and, embracing data-driven decision making in farming. And we've seen how that has really impacted our farmers. And working with partners has really enabled us to move from, one point to another, and has really enabled us to achieve one of our vision. And one of the vision of Josco Farm is seeing an economically empowered community. And how do we do that? We do that by offering trainings, by engaging the community. We give out seedlings, and we don't just give out seedlings. We train farmers. We are with you throughout the journey. That's what we do at Josco Farm.